Hello, so this is my newest junk journal, and I am so glad I was able to come up with something. So I have this craft paper that I got from a antique slash thrift store, and it is beautiful paper, and I use it all over in the junk journal. I also used here is a for my wicker basket that's fallen apart. So I cut up some of the strips of it and use it as border. Of course, you have some edge protector, and my closure are these clips. And I am loving the neutral color, pop of green on the side, and of course yellow and white. Very neutral earth tone. And of course I got my cards in here, which I will be decorating at some point. It is a writing journal, so there's a lot of room for writing. So there's 3 signature. I'm hoping to use this for 3 months. And here we go. So I'm going to speed up at some point because everything is going to be very plain. So I have some pockets here, and I use 2 different ribbons style to do that. Love the artwork. Again, I have extra paper in here that I can use later as craft. And here we go. Love these ribbons. Of course, pockets. So here I have a booklet that I will use at some point. Pages inside. Let's look how beautiful. I just love this. That's it. So can't wait to use the journal and to add things. And of course we have the pocket outside, and I have 2 different tags, but it is absolutely beautiful and looking forward to using it.